Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see how to make a delicious chicken lollipop at home. For that I have taken half a kilo of chicken. I'm going to use the readily available kebab powder 5 teaspoon, corn flour 2 teaspoon. And believe me guys, this kebab powder will give a good taste to the chicken. And 2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 egg, 2 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt to taste. Now let's first beat the egg. Add the kebab powder and the corn flour to the egg and give a good mix. Add the ginger garlic paste. Add the turmeric powder and the chili powder, salt to taste, lemon juice, and oil, and give a good mix to the ingredients. Now squeeze out excess water from the chicken as it oozes out water after washing. And nicely mix the chicken with the mixture. And keep the marination for half an hour. I have the oil heating up in the pan. Now slowly add the pieces to the hot oil. Now it's been 10 minutes. Now give a flip to the chicken so that it can cook from the other side as well. Now it's almost 20 minutes. The chicken has cooked very nicely. Now take out all the pieces from the pan. Now our chicken lollipop is ready. Serve it with onion and a piece of lime. Believe me guys, it is super delicious. Try it at home and give me your comments. Hope you will enjoy it. Thank you.